Hi, Jeff Buchanan with Wood Chipper Safety Shield. Going to demonstrate to you how a wood chipper safety shield will work with a 2009 Morbark MR14. So the feed wheels are already initiated on this one. I put my hand in and it simply stops it. I'm going to demonstrate again. I'm going to initiate the feed rollers again. Put my hand in on this side. We know the safety device is working as designed. Notice the green light here. The green light indicates that the feed rollers are in motion. They are active. Doesn't matter if it's in neutral, or forward, they are active. I'm going to take these bracelets off so they're not tripping it when I put my hands where they don't belong. So if you go beyond the safety plane with one of these machines with a wood chipper safety shield on it, it is going to trip and stop the feed rollers. Pitchfork. Normal garden rake. Push broom. Scoop shovel. So basically anything that you want to protect with the machine, keep something from going through, can be protected. Well, of course, when you operate a wood chipper, you need to have your normal safety PPEs on. So, of course, a hard hat, safety glasses, earplugs, or some type of hearing protection, high-vis vest or high-vis clothing is a standard. So we use tearaway vests, so in the event somebody gets hooked, it tears that away. So the machine, or the safety shield, is designed to stop anybody from crossing the safety plane. The safety plane of all wood chippers is a vertical line right here where I'm showing with my hand, all the way down. You're never supposed to be in that position, be beyond that position. Of course, operators are on a regular basis, and if they get hooked up and pulled, they've got 0.75 seconds to grab the last chance cable or to try to hit the control bar, or they have to rely on somebody else to be there and be attentive enough to stop them from being drawn in the machine. So the wood chipper safety shield eliminates that part of the equation. Tree service work is extremely dangerous. This just helps to eliminate one of the dangers that is in our line of work. Wood chipper safety shield, woodchippersafetyshield.com. Thanks for watching.